Welcome to my YouTube channel, Leaves Persona. Today I'm going to see the inauguration of a burger fuel shop at Auckland, which is one of the top burger brands in New Zealand. As part of the inauguration, there are many famous cars brought there by American Muscle Car Club. The American Muscle Car Club was an idea mooted by one, Alan Edwards in 1986. He got together some other like-minded petrol heads, namely Dave Luce, Graham Matassa, Bill Dunn, Gary Quenin, and Gary Rady, who decided at an informal get-together to start a club which predominantly revolved around American muscle cars. After much discussion and debate, it was decided that the factory horsepower wars were between 1961 to 1971, and although there were high-performance vehicles before and after this 10-year period, they would only be eligible for associate membership. There was a lot of debate about modified cars, i.e. blowers out of bonnets, etc., and initially this was not to be allowed, with cars to be as original-looking as possible. To be a full member, the car also had to be in a clean finished condition, no rust, primed areas, etc. Accordingly, a constitution and set of club rules were drawn up. This was kept on a casual basis until November 1991, when the club became an incorporated society and the Constitution was formalized. The main object for which the club was formed was to encourage the acquisition, preservation, and maintenance of 1961 to 1971 American muscle cars. The club has grown from the original 10 to 15 members to over 180 current members. The MCC is a family-oriented club with strong social content. We have many diverse types of cars, which makes the display of these vehicles a lot more interesting than one-mark type clubs. It also promotes a fair bit of rivalry between the major three brands. The club has had several successful car shows on a 3-yearly basis, with about 70 cars on display. Since 1988, we have run the annual Fathers. The drags on the first Sunday in September, and this has grown into a must-attend for drag racing fans who like to see not only American but also Australia. Hope you enjoy this video. Hit a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Do check out this new burger fuel shop in Auckland for delicious burgers.
Stop.